How to sign into your Amazon Prime Video account. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily log into your Amazon Prime Video account. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. So the first thing you need to do is download the application from Play Store. Go ahead and search for Amazon Prime Video and make sure to install the application. And once you open up the app, you will be welcomed by this page. So if you are new to Amazon, you have an option to create an account by filling out all of these details. And if you are already a customer, you can simply enter your email address to sign in. So just tap on continue. Now here you'll just have to enter your Amazon's password. And once you've entered your password, you can just go ahead and click on sign in. But if you've forgotten it, you can tap on forgot password to send a reset link to your email or a phone number that's connected to your account. I'm not going to do that right now, so I'm just going to simply log in. And once you tap on the sign in options, you will be directly logged into your Prime Video. And now you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies. So this is how you easily log into your Amazon Prime Video account. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.